I have replaced the actuator on my Maytag Centennial washer. I ran all the tests and that was the code I received. Now the washer won't start, it's just sensing and lid locked is flashing.
Can you guesstimate how old your Maytag is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
2015.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Model number MBWC360A0.
One moment please. Note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. Also, the site will send you a phone call offer, that is not me. Unplug it for 10 minutes, then plug it back in and wait for about 5 minutes and the lid should unlock. You can then run a calibration cycle on it. You need to calibrate the machine. With the unit empty, rotate the dial counterclockwise a few turns, stopping at 12 o'clock, then go slowly 3 clicks forward, 1 click back, 1 click forward, so you should be at the 3 o'clock position when done. All lights should light up if done correctly. If they do, then you want to rotate the dial forward clockwise until rinse only is lit. Once that is lit, press start, then wait until it completes and unlocks the lid. That will calibrate the unit. All I ask is, please remember to use the rating link on your page by selecting a star at the top or bottom of the screen before you leave today. Even though you paid the site, they will not disperse any part of it to me until you supply a good rating. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Still not starting wash. When trying to start, lid lock flashes for AB 4 minutes and sensing light is just on.
Get into the error code list again and see if anything comes up.
It's blinking, sensing, rinse, spin, done, then blinks, done. After that, just sensing. Any more ideals?
That is an actuator fault code. Are you sure the actuator is plugged in and good?
It's washing now. I'm going through a cycle to see if it complete the cycle.
Okay.
It's working so far. Is it a reason why it's spinning so fast and humming?
It is normal for it to do that. All I ask is, please remember to use the rating link on your page by selecting a star at the top or bottom of the screen before you leave today. Even though you paid the site, they will not disperse any part of it to me until you supply a good rating. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Now it's working, but once a cycle finish, it starts all over again by itself.
That is a bad control board if it is doing that. Hi there, I was just touching base with you because I have not heard back from you and the question is still open and unrated. I am not credited anything until a good star rating is supplied. I would really appreciate it if you could do that. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.